Hi everyone, it's Michelle. I just wanted to make a quick video of my altered envelope box. I am so sorry, Terry. It has taken me forever and I do apologize. Thanks so much for your patience. It's just been kind of crazy at my house, probably, I guess, the last month, or 6 weeks. But anyways, I just wanted to give a quick show of what I've done. This is, needless to say, my first altered envelope box, and I hope that you like it, Terry. So I just mainly wanted to do the video so you could see what you had to do to get it open. So, of course, I used Tilda paper, made a little flower spray, made the little lace flower leaf, can't talk, the little lace and pearl leaves myself, and so I thought those turned out pretty good as well. So let's see. So you'll need to take it, and there's Velcro on the bottom on both sides, and then you just take it across at the top of the box and flip forward and then open. So and there's a few goodies, and there's some other goodies I don't want to show on camera, so you'll be surprised. So then I just I took some of the wide ribbon that you can see here and used it on the sides, and then of course there's the bottom of an envelope, and then to finish out the top I just put some pearl trim. So just a real quick video. So not that I'm sure Terry could figure this out, but I'm not very good at writing directions, so I would probably just have confused her. So anyways, it's on its way, Terry, finally. Once again, thank you so much for all your goodies that you sent me. I absolutely loved everything. So, and then I put a few extra goodies in yours as well, just because I am running behind, and I really appreciate your patience very much. You're just a wonderful lady, and I hope you start making videos soon. So I will talk to you later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.